Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you pay off your debt with the money you save using simple digital coupons on all of your family essentials. And today I have an amazing $16 challenge for you where we're gonna grab almost $60 worth of products, including Bounty and Charmin. We're getting some paper products included with this, and all you need is your phone. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step the deals that you're gonna do, the transactions you're gonna do, your checkout process, so you can feel confident by the time you finish watching this video to go to Walgreens and do the exact same deals. Now, if you want the printable breakdowns of all of my deals that I do each week, it covers 5 different stores. The link to get access to all of my weekly breakdowns is gonna be below for you guys in the description box. That way you can print it out or you can still keep it digital to take it in the store with you and be able to follow it step by step. Make sure you're remembering to clip all your digital coupons, what your out-of-pocket cost should be, the whole 9 yards. That way you're not gonna have any issues or any stress when you check out, especially if you are a beginner to couponing at Walgreens. So definitely stick with me and I'm gonna walk you through everything. I'm so excited for us to score these deals. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Bree. I've paid off over $19,000 worth of debt by using the savings with digital coupons and cash back. We do have some cash back that we're gonna be getting today as well. So what you're gonna do at the end, I'm gonna show you my receipts, exactly what I paid out of pocket. Then I'll show you my spreadsheet, how I track everything, takes me 30 seconds, and exactly the amount of money that I'm gonna be making as an additional payment towards my debt, just from the products and savings that we are getting today at Walgreens. So let's head inside and get started. So we're gonna start with our $16 challenge. So what we're gonna do is these 3 deals in our first transaction, and I'm gonna walk you through step by step what to grab, how to do it, your final cost, the whole 9 yards, so you know exactly what to do when you are done with this video. First deal we're grabbing is the Dove shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale for $5 each for the 12-ounce ones, and buy 2 in store, get a $4 register reward. In the Walgreens app, you're gonna clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $6 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, makes your net cost $1 a piece. Next, we're grabbing our free oral care this week, and it's on Crest. So I'm gonna grab the Radiant Mint. These here are $4 each on sale. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. In the Walgreens app, clip the 5 off 3 digital coupon. So for 3 of them, you're at $12 minus a $5 digital coupon. You'll pay $7, earn back the $5 register reward, plus submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. The limit is 1. That's gonna make your final cost completely free for 3 tubes of toothpaste, perfect stock-up price. The last deal in our first transaction is on Colgate. So grab any of the ones that are $4 and buy 2 in store, get a $4 register reward. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, makes it $1 for 2 of them or 50 cents each. So let's go over our first transaction. You're gonna type in your phone number and you're handing the cashier all of these products here. Retail value, $30? Absolutely not. Then we have $12 worth of digital coupons. So you'll pay $18 plus taxes out of pocket. If you do have any rewards from previous deals that you've done earlier in the day or last week, you can definitely use that to lower your cost. But this example is gonna be based off of you being brand new, starting with 0 rewards. You'll pay the $18 out of pocket, get back the register rewards for all the products, so a 5, a 4, and a 4, plus $2 cash back from Ibotta. Now, all the register rewards that we just earned, we're gonna use in our second transaction, so let's take a look at those deals. So for our second transaction, first deal we're gonna grab is on the Walgreens food storage baggies. I personally love these and I'm running kind of low. They're buy 1, get 2 free, and yes, you can mix and match, so all 3 of them are gonna ring in for just $2.79. We're also grabbing the Dove body wash deal. This is the best and lowest stock-up price that we have had in months, and the lowest price I've ever seen Dove. So you're definitely gonna wanna do this deal if it's a product that you actually use. They're on sale for $8 this week. Buy 2, earn back an $8 register reward. Plus, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $11 out of pocket, get back an $8 register reward, makes your net cost $3 for 2 of them or $1.50 a piece. That's insane. These 5 products are your second transaction. So here's the checkout process. Type in your phone number, they scan the products, then you're gonna hand them the $13 in register rewards from your first transaction. Make sure you hand it with all of these products so that they scan it and immediately scan that before pressing total. So total for all these products is $18.79. We have $5 in digital coupons and $13 in register rewards. You're gonna wind up paying 79 cents plus taxes out of pocket. Then you'll earn back the $8 register reward for the Dove products to use in our third and final transaction. Next deal, we are grabbing some paper products. We're gonna get some toilet paper and paper towels. So the essentials for Charmin and Bounty are on sale for $4.99. Buy two, get a $3 register reward. Grab this one. Now this is 2-ply, this is 1-ply, so I recommend this one. And we have a $1 off one digital coupon in the Walgreens app, so clip that. The next product you want to grab, unfortunately my store is out of, but it's the Bounty Essentials 4 rolls, and we have a $1 off one digital coupon. So just for visuals, I'm going to grab 2 of these just to show you guys, but obviously that's not the right product. You want to grab the 4 count rolls here that are $4.99. Your last transaction is going to be the Bounty and Charmin deal. So again, this is the 4 count rolls, not doing these exact products. I'm just using it as a visual. So you're grabbing both of those. Total is $9.98. You have $2 in digital coupons, plus you have an $8 register reward. So you're gonna wind up paying only taxes out of pocket, and you'll get a $3 register reward. Now you can go and use that later today in any other product, or you can save it for next week's deals. So let's go over the total cash cost for everything that we have in this cart. So in total, we grabbed $58.79 worth of products. You paid $18 in your first transaction, 79 cents in your second transaction, and nothing in your third transaction. Of course, you're paying taxes on all of it. Then you earned $2 cash back in your first transaction from Ibotta. Makes your final cash cost $16.79 for all of these products, making it 70% savings. Now, you want to make sure that you're taking this a step further, because yes, couponing is amazing. Yes, saving this money is amazing. But if the money stays in your checking account, it's going to disappear to Amazon purchases, shopping at Target, Starbucks runs, you name it. So immediately take that money and transfer it into your emergency fund, or use it to pay off your debt. That's what I do, and that's how I've paid off over $19,000 worth of debt. We have a lot more deals going on at Walgreens this week, so let's keep going. There's so many great deals on paper products this week. So another one for Charmin and Bounty is going to be on the larger ones. These are buy one, get a $3 register reward. So they're $12.99. There is a $2 off one digital coupon. You'll pay $10.99, earn back a $3 register reward, makes it $7.99. All of the Bounty and Charmin also work with the new P&G rebate. So again, for all the breakdowns, everything written out step by step every single week, that'll be below for you in the description box to get access to my weekly breakdowns. There's also the link and exactly how to submit for the P&G website for their new back to school rebate. This time they also did, when you spend $75, I think you get a $25 Visa gift card. Don't quote me, I have it linked for you guys. The other option you can do for that deal is on the Bounty 6 equals 12 double rolls. These are part of the same deal for buy one, get a $3 register reward, and they're $12.99. There's also a $2 digital coupon. So this one is going to wind up being the same price. Now, if you want to do both of the deals, you can. It just has to be in separate transactions, because the register reward per deal will only print once per transaction. So I can do this deal, get the register reward, in my next transaction do the Charmin deal, and I'll get the $3 register reward again. Again, this also works with the P&G Visa gift card, and you can use multiple receipts on multiple days, multiple stores, it doesn't matter, all to count towards that, which is really nice. So that's what I always do. I save all my receipts until I reach the top amount that you can do. Then I submit it so I can get the highest value Visa gift card back. If you love Gain, this is definitely a stock up price this week. We're grabbing 4 different Gain products. So they are $4.99 on sale. Buy any 4, get back a $4 register reward for the ones that are included. We're gonna grab 1 liquid and clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. Next, we're grabbing a Gain Flings. These are $4.99, and there is a $1 off 1 digital coupon as well, so clip that. Next, we're gonna grab the Gain fabric softener, clip the $off one digital coupon, and the last product is gonna be the Gain scent booster. Is it just me, or were these used to be called Gain fireworks? I just realized that it no longer says fireworks. So I had that in one of my breakdowns and somebody was like, what the heck is that? So I changed it to Gain scent booster. These are $4.99 and we have a separate $off one digital coupon. So let's go over this deal. Your total for these 4 products is $19.96, which is the same price that you would pay if you go to Walmart. However, at Walgreens, we have $4 in digital coupons, so you'll pay $15.96. If you have any register rewards or Walgreens cash, you can use that to lower your cost on this transaction. Then you'll still get back the $4 register reward. Makes your final cost $11.96 for 4 products or $2.99 a piece. Definitely a great stock up price, and we have all the different types of laundry products that we need. Okay, we're back in from Walgreens and everything went great, except for them being out of that Bounty Essential. So I wound up switching out that deal. So my out-of-pocket cost was gonna be about $3 higher, but then I did decide to use $5 in Walgreens cash because I had it. So in my Debt Free with Digital Coupons Club, probably the main lesson that I try to teach is if you have rewards, use them. That is the point of them. When I first started couponing, for some reason, I was so silly, I looked at like Walgreens cash and register rewards as if it was real money. So I didn't want to watch the number go down. I wanted to keep getting more and more and more as if it was like some bank account or something, which is so silly because my goal to pay off my debt. You can't pay off your debt with register rewards. You can't pay off your debt or your mortgage or personal loan or whatever with Walgreens cash. That is a tool to be able to lower your out-of-pocket cost, so you're saving more of your money, and that's what's turning into your debt payoff fund. So don't make that mistake like I did. Make sure that you are using rewards that you have. And that way too, they don't expire. You don't lose the register rewards, things like that. So let me show you guys my receipts. My first transaction is the exact same as the first transaction in the $16 challenge. So I grabbed all the products. Here's all the digital coupons coming off. Paid $18 plus taxes out of pocket. There was no booster or anything, so I didn't earn any Walgreens cash back. But then I did earn back all of the register rewards. They printed just fine. Now remember, before you check out, I watched someone before me check out, so I knew the register reward machine was on and printing. If you're like the first one to check out or whatever, there's no one in front of you, ask the cashier, hey, is the Catalina machine on and is it printing? If it runs out of paper, it will just beep constantly. So they unplug it to get through the line, and then they'll forget because there's a million things that cashiers are doing, right? So then it'll be off because it didn't have paper. And then if your register rewards don't print, it'll kill the transaction because now you can't use those in your next transaction. So always make sure that you do that. My next transaction, I added in the Charmin deal for the $12.99. These are the register rewards that we just earned in our first transaction. Here's the digital coupons coming off. Then I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $9 out of pocket. Then I got back all my register rewards, the 8 and the 3, which I then used in my final transaction. I got the Gain deal. I just thought that was an amazing deal, and I love stocking up on laundry products. I have a lot of people who purchase from me as well, reselling, so they're always looking for laundry product deals. So I grabbed the Gain, used the 2 register rewards, all the digital coupons came off, paid $4.96 plus taxes out of pocket. And then yes, the register reward machine printed as well. I did submit my first receipt to Ibotta, got $2 cash back on top of this. So now let's head home. I'll show you exactly what you need to be tracking so you can see how much to the penny you saved so that you know exactly what to do as your micropayment towards your debt this week. So let's go do it together. So now we're back home, and this is the digital budget spreadsheet. So if you aren't tracking your spending, I guarantee you that is one very simple fix that you can make to where you're gonna be able to start being on track and paying off your debt. So if you're serious about paying off your debt, we are halfway through the year. Lock in. One thing that you've got to make sure that you're doing is tracking your spending. So if you want my spreadsheet, I'll link it above where it says get spreadsheet here. If you want to buy someone else's spreadsheet, if you want to make your own spreadsheet, whatever works best for you, you've just got to make sure that you have a spreadsheet and it's tracking the correct things, especially for couponing. So for my spreadsheet, if you grab it, we're on the July tab. Obviously it's July. Scroll over a little bit where it says coupon trips. What you're going to do is put in the date. Then you're gonna put in the store. Sale price, exactly what it means. The prices of the products on sale, add it all up. All the sale prices for transaction 1 is $30. How much I paid out of pocket. How much did you swipe your card for at checkout, okay? Total that you swiped your card for. For me, it was $18.70. Then I earned $2 cash back from Ibotta. My second transaction was $31.78 in product value. I paid $9 even and no cash back. My third transaction was the Gain deal. They're all $4.99. I grabbed 4 of them. Total sale price, $19.96. Paid out of pocket on that one, $6.36 and no cash back. Now, these receipts, the ones that track towards the P&G back to school rebate, I'm gonna be keeping. So I'm gonna pin those to my board on the side, and that way I'll know exactly how many products I have to be able to submit towards that. When I reach the $75 mark, after coupons, after rewards, it's out of pocket that P&G like tracks towards, then I'll submit it and make sure that I submit it within the window so that I can get a $25 Visa gift card back, which is gonna be so exciting. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. What I do then is, now that I just left, I'm gonna see exactly how much money I saved for this trip. I'm gonna immediately open up my student loans. That's what I'm working on. If you're working on a credit card, whatever, and I'm going to transfer that money over and make that additional payment. If you leave that money in your checking account, it's going to disappear to other things, whether it be a random shopping trip to Target, Starbucks, going out to eat, anything like that. So you've got to make sure that you're immediately taking action. Don't let this final part fail, because then the whole thing is kind of a waste of time. So make sure that you take a second, figure out exactly how much money you saved, and make that as an additional payment towards your debt. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.